In this Montessori Printable Royalties review, I'm going to be showing you a training that's going to teach you how to sell on Etsy and how they're making $4,300 from a single listing in a way where you don't have to make a real product. It's all a printable. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Montessori Printable Royalties, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, learn how one Etsy seller makes $4,320 from a single listing, your step-by-step guide to Montessori print success. So essentially you can see here, these people are just listing these little printable things on Etsy and making like $4,000 a month, $1,400 a month. Even these little ones here making like $100 a month, $700 a month, listing these little printables for Montessori classes on here. So they're going to show you how to use Canva in order to make these, how to actually get customers to purchase you, but without selling, like without getting traffic or anything from like paid sources. They're going to show you how to do this without having any experience, and for anyone that wants to learn how to do this as well here for a very low one-time price. Now, I'm going to go ahead and actually there's no video here today for this one, so I'm going to move on to the backend area. If you purchase, you get access to this. It has like the introduction, niche research, creating Montessori printables, AI for animal images, Etsy descriptions with AI, Etsy listing images and files, uploading to Etsy, free and paid marketing methods, Pinterest marketing, and then there's some bonuses here as well with this. Now, there are a couple upgrades. First one, it says accelerate your creation speed and boost your sales with an exclusive package of ready-to-use templates. So if you're someone that likes to have done-for-you templates instead of creating things yourself, you can pick up this upgrade. The next one here says the art of earnings monthly templates for coloring book Maverick. Say goodbye to creative blocks forever. So if you want monthly templates added into your account, this one's a $19.99 a month, and you get access to all these into your account. So of course, all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Montessori Printable Royalties and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, with anything like this, they show big numbers like $4,000 a month from these, but of course, you're gonna have to learn how to do this. You're gonna have to apply it. You're gonna have to list them on Etsy. There's gonna be a learning curve. Your first one that you put up there probably isn't gonna make you $4,000 a month. What do I like about this? I like this kind of a method, especially with Etsy, because Etsy has built-in free traffic and the fact that there's really nothing to deliver. Once you make one of these digital products, you have it forever. You can keep selling it and selling it and selling it. If this sounds like something that you'd like to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Montessori Printable Royalties review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.